There was that one place I always thought about, and I just wanted to be there with you. The place that no eye has ever seen, the place that no heart has ever perceived. I had a great feeling inside of me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Arvina Erisa. You can call me Risa or Ica or Arvina. I was born in Dumai 21 April 2005 and now I'm 20 years old. I have 4 siblings, 1 sister and 3 brothers. And I'm the first child from my family. My mother is a housewife and my father is an entrepreneur. I live at Rupat Island, Bangkalis, Riau Province. I am a student at Riau Open University. My hobbies are cooking, baking, reading like novel, history, I like to watching movie, drama, and podcasts. And I also like to traveling to find out new things and the culinary delight there. And I come from the Malay ethnic group. I think it's enough for today. Thank you for attention. And I'm sorry if I make a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.